The LGPE error code appears on a washing machine when the water level sensor is unable to detect the correct water level, causing the machine to stop working until the error is resolved. This error can be caused by a faulty or dirty water level pressure sensor switch, often due to hard water buildup or foreign debris deposits. Issues with the wiring, such as disconnections between the main control dashboard and the water level switch, can also trigger the error. Additionally, the location of the washing machine, particularly in areas with high moisture like bathrooms, can contribute to the error. To fix the issue, it is recommended to inspect the water level pressure sensor switch for dirt or damage, and clean or replace it as needed. Checking the wiring for loose or damaged connections and using a multimeter to test continuity can also help resolve the issue. If excess moisture is suspected, disconnecting the power plug, waiting a few minutes, and then reconnecting it may help. However, if the error persists after attempting these solutions, it may be necessary to have the washing machine checked by a qualified technician from the manufacturer's service team.